Hi there, today I'm going to show you how can we hide this sentence using JavaScript. If I click on the image, there is no sentence. If I click on the button, here it is, which is 1, 2, 3, learning JavaScript is free. Beautiful sentence. So how can we do that using our language JavaScript? Okay, so let's go and open our Visual Studio Code. Okay, just let me do it in a way that we can see both windows. Okay, so I'll take out this line, which is I really want to explain to you, and do it together. Okay, so that's it. So if you can see, it doesn't work. What I have here, I have a P, a paragraph, a P tag. I have a div just to give some style to our document, and an image tag, and finally a button tag. Okay, so first of all, we should have an ID for our P. Okay, the element that we want to hide and show. Okay, so ID, for example, I write demo. Okay, the famous name, and in the image tag I just write onclick, okay, equal a double quotes, and I write document dot get element by ID, and between parentheses and single quote. Very important, if you start with double quotes, between double quotes write in single quotes. Okay, so just write here demo, which is the name of the ID. After that, a dot. Okay, what I did like this, and style, so and display. Okay, display, assignment operator, and single quote again, and write none. So quickly, what I did here, just I select, okay, I select the element, which is demo, which is the P, and I select exactly the property that I want to make change on it, and I say none. So I give the value none, okay, to this element, okay, with the ID demo. So let's see what happens. What's happened? If I click on the image, there is no P. Okay. So now, how can we fix the bottom? So it's the same line. Just I will copy it. Okay, to save time. Copy it with C, and I write it here. Just what I will do, change none to block in order to show it. Okay, so refresh the page and try it. Oh, it doesn't work. Why? Wait, no, what I did, I did nothing bad. Alright, let me see. Everything is good. It's correct, I think. Let me see again. It doesn't work. It's insane. What I did, I can't see anything. Okay, I did demo style, display, blog, and start with double quote. I can figure out where is the problem. Let me see. I see nothing. I can't figure out where's the problem. demo. So what's going on? Okay, let me refresh it again. Oh man. So it's okay, it works. I don't know what happened, but it works. I didn't make any change. So this is just in the bottom tag, change the none, okay, property display none to display block, and here it is. It works, okay. So we can hide it and we can show it. So this is for today's tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. If this video has been helpful to you, give it thumbs up and I will really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.